Hello, Chef here. In this video I will explore a few different installations and options for kitchen islands. Wooden kitchen islands will bring function, style, and usability to your new kitchen. Yeah. All right. Check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Oh yeah, sourdough bread. Look at that stuff. Nice loaves. Learn more right there. Just search bread on this channel. Okay, if Chef asks you for some chopped fresh basil, that's what he's looking for right there. Not the garbage you see at the fast food places. You know what I'm talking about, like Chipotle and Burger King and TGI and all these crazy fast food places. This is perfect chopped fresh basil. The sponsor can help you with selection, sizing, base colors, discounts, free shipping, no tax, and even installation. One of the few companies left that actually provides customer service and can help you to improve the look and function of your new kitchen. Call them now. Learn from the chefs. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be good. By the way, this glove stops knives. Nothing is going to cut me. And little chains, all hand welded. Made in America. Check out your sponsor there, okay? So here we go. First, I'm going to go right in half. Oh yeah, nice perfect cut. Beautiful pair. Then I'm going to do some quick slices. Just like this. I ended up with about 20 slices there. I was hoping for 25. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.